Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 3rd of January 2018 and I will be analyzing RCOM. I did analyze it 2-3 days before, and since a lot of queries has been asked on this again on my WhatsApp separately, and some guys have asked it on the comment section also. So in this video I will update the analysis and I will tell you that what can happen in RCOM now. So first is the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility, and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. So in my last video I had told that we have some still upside remaining in RCOM, but if you see weekly chart, it was at perfect resistance as well. So at this time from last 2 days we see that it has been coming down, and it might happen that it may come down a bit more, but then let's say that 2-3 more rupees, but then possibly after that it should go up as long as it holds this upper Bollinger Band and maybe a tad below that. This would be a level around this place where it should find it should again find momentum to go up. If you see, RSI is currently up and possibly this should hold, and if it does, then we will see a new high to be created here. Um, but then currently it might retrace a bit because on weekly chart it is facing resistance on 100-day EMA, which is quite a resistance. Let's see what about daily chart. So daily chart, that this was the gap, possibly this is what it has been trying to fill, and this, let's see that if this range is broken. If not, then we will see there is more upside remaining in our account. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.